Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting facts, the precise SSID, security type, and password, and you must have admin access to the router. Once ready, log into the router's web interface or app. Make sure the router firmware is recent. Outdated firmware can misreport hidden networks. Now verify whether the router lists the network as hidden and note current channel and security. This initial check places you at the control point, where changes actually fix discovery and connection problems. Once done, temporarily enable SSID broadcast to confirm the SSID, channel, and security settings. This verifies the router is advertising correctly. Then reapply settings. Set the SSID exactly, choose WPA2 or WPA3 consistently, pick a stable channel or auto, and save. Rehide the SSID only after confirming clients connect. On the client, manually add the network using the exact SSID. Select the same security type and enter the password. Make sure to choose Connect even if you finish by rebooting both router and client, then test the connection and internet access to confirm success. If the client connects but lacks internet, renew the DHCP lease or assign a suitable static IP and gateway. Update wireless drivers or firmware if intermittent drops occur. If things go wrong, temporarily enable SSID broadcasting to see if clients join when visible. This single diagnostic step isolates whether the issue is hiding related or a deeper authentication.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.